Hello, bonsoir à tous. Le lancement a été un succès. Cet moment, c'est inoubliable pour Sky Brasil.
Good evening to
J'ai
everyone
remercié
of
à
you.
toute l'équipe
And
de
I really enjoyed my time with the whole Ariane team, with all the Airbus team for manufacturing our satellite. The satellite will ensure a great future for Sky Brazil. I'll switch to English now.
Pleasure to be here tonight. It's a very exciting moment for Sky Brazil. Tonight's launch has been a successful. I have no words to explain feeling. Really, I have no words in French, in English, or in Portuguese. I have no words. It's something else. I'm truly, truly thankful to Ariane Space Team. Guys, you are the best. You are the best. I'm also pleased to thankful Ariane team who made a magnificent satellite to us. It's an awesome job. An amazing job, guys. I think the success of this project, you took the right partners, the right partners. And last but not least, I'd like to thank you, the DirecTV Satellite Group, especially my friend, is not my colleague, is my friend Phil Gozov. It's here. He and his team, he did a lot of job, and Duane as well, Duane Deer. And as well, all my team, all our colleagues in Brazil, everybody. It's a beginning for us. This event marks the beginning of a new era of Sky Brazil. It's really a new era, and the future begins now. Just to finish, eu quero falar umas palavras em português para o pessoal lá do Brasil. É muito bom estar aqui representando todos vocês. Um abraço para todos aí. Um agradecimento especial para o BAP, que meu chefe, que sempre me deu suporte em tudo, e a minha equipe, que fez um trabalho maravilhoso lá construindo o centro de transmissão de Jaguariúna. Um abraço para todos vocês aí, um beijo.
Mesdames, Messieurs, bonsoir. Comme à la parade.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It's the parade of speeches now. As a keen fan of the Stade Toulousain rugby team, a great rugby team, Stade Toulousain, they have a chant that they chant in the final: we come, we win, and we go away. It's the same here. We come here, we launch, and we go away. And we have a bit of a party before we leave to celebrate. I would really like to congratulate and thank Arianespace, Stéphane and his team for this major success. And of course, all of the partners who make a contribution to the success of this Ariane launch vehicle. There are no words to describe how amazing this launch vehicle is. CNES, European Space Agency, CSG, and Airbus Safran Launchers, of course, which is well represented here with its chairman and CEO in the room. And also Hervé Gilbert and his teams, who are not here, who work in the background and who ensure the reliability of this incredible launch vehicle. Many thanks to them. Many thanks to my own team, to the Airbus teams who have worked on this satellite for 2 years to produce a 6-ton, 16-kilowatt satellite within 2 years is quite a feat, allowing us to deliver for Sky a satellite that's going to allow it to increase its capability significantly on its geographic area. Thanks to Aziz, Jean-Michel, and all the others. The adventure of satellites with a client is a partnership. It's friendship that emerges as we work together and that lasts over time. We are producing the third satellite for DirecTV, and we very much hope that our partnership with this customer shall endure. A final thing. The satellite is currently initializing, starting up, so to speak. It's being monitored by the Toulouse Control Center, and I've just received the information that we've received, the telemetry information, and everything is going well. So thanks and well done.
Good evening, everyone. Praise the Lord. Telkom 3S separate already from the rocket. And the only one word I want to say to Ariane Space and Telesenia Space as our partner, fantastic. And congratulations for your hard work and high spirit. And I myself, tonight, the pressure is quite heavy in my shoulder, but a few minutes ago, released it already because of you. So thank you very much for collaboration. Thank you for the fantastic job. You did it. And for Telkom Indonesia, Telkom 3S is a milestone for us to strengthen our commitment to build our digital society in Indonesia, and of course, contribute to develop the global economy in general. And to all of you, my colleague from Telkom Indonesia, Pak Abdul Somad Arif, my network director, and all the teams, and also the ambassador, commissioner, and also from the shareholders, state-owned enterprise minister, and also from communication and information ministry. And I let you know all 1,000 Telkom people watching now in Jakarta, live. And also I would like to say thank you very much to the Minister of Communication and Information, Mr. Rudiantara. He's joined with my people in my office to watching what we just seen together. And hopefully we will give more quality service to our customer through Telkom 3S. And of course, we still wait until the mid of April to be in orbit and in operation to increase our capacity to serve our country as a big country, a archipelago country, and for also 260 million Indonesian people. And I will do the best, and all my team, I think, will do the best for the country and also for the world. Once again, thank you very much to Ariane Space and Telesenia Space for your collaboration and fantastic job. And once again, thank you very much to all of us.
So again, a great show today. I promised Alex this would be great, and as we all saw, it was. So congratulations to you and everybody in Telecom Indonesia. We have the big red team here, which are very visible. So, and they change color every day, we found out. Your next satellite is in space and will expand your fleet, and we're very proud of this achievement, and especially the excellent teamwork between Thales Alenia Space and your company. And it was really great. Well done. Well done for this great achievement we made, the two of us. Best wishes also for the people that start working now, because we now are going to do the deployment, the in-orbit test, and so on. So it's not over yet, as we already said. In terms of this magnificent launch, and it's getting a bit boring, Stefan, because it was again according to the book. And apart from the fact that that we had one Valentine's gift, that you launched peacefully Airbus and Thales Alenia Space together, there was another gift from us, because you had today the third satellite from Thales Alenia Space arriving here in Kourou to be launched by one of your launches. And I think that as well is a good sign of cooperation and trust. Also a big thanks to the teams of Thales Alenia Space that are today, and that's worked on it, but are today in Toulouse and in Cannes. We have more than 200 people in Cannes watching with their families, and we have more than 100 people in Toulouse. And of course, we are in the offices, in your offices, in Jakarta to witness it together with you. And I'm pretty sure they will be celebrating a lot in due course. We also got confirmation that the telemetry is working, which is good news. So you got the first cry of your new baby, which makes us very happy. And well, we will soon coming to you to do the test and the follow-on together. So I wish you all the best, good business for the future, and of course I hope to see you all very soon again. Thanks a lot.
Monsieur le ministre,
Dear Minister,
Monsieur le Préfet,
dear Prefect,
Monsieur les députés,
dear deputies,
Monsieur l'ambassadeur,
dear Ambassador,
Monsieur le maire de Kourou, Monsieur le Président,
dear Mayor of Kourou, dear President and Chairman of Arianespace, and dear President of the CNES, the Indonesian friend, a few words from Toulouse to share my emotions and
vivre un moment
after sharing this milestone.
bien sûr. Toutes celles et
Congratulations as well to all of those without whom this operation wouldn't have been a success. All these teams, Toulouse, CNES, Airbus, Defence and Space, the Thales teams, Thales Alenia Space teams, as well as the teams from ESL. Well done. Congratulations to Arianespace, CNES and ESA. And I'd like to tell you how much I admire what you do. And I'd like to tell you how proud we are. Toulouse is the European capital of aeronautics, European capital of space. It is a land of innovation. It is a land that focuses on science, invests in research, in leading-edge industries, high industries, to promote technology and diversity. This is how, and thanks to these, that we move forward, we contribute to the growth of France. Our country will celebrate the 20th anniversary of the Cité de l'Espace, and which aims at promoting knowledge on space, promoting this excellence in the French industry. Toulouse is chairing the Communauté de Villariane, bringing together both industrial entities, both in the public and private domains. And thank you to those of you who've made sure that we would be here. Toulouse is very proud of its vocation as the city of aeronautics. Thank you.
Monsieur le ministre, Monsieur le maire, Mesdames et Messieurs,
Mr. Minister, Mr. Mayor, ladies and gentlemen, it's a very great pleasure for me to congratulate everyone involved in this 77th perfect running launch for Ariane. And I think this rewards Airbus Safran launchers, which manufactures the most reliable launch vehicles in the world, without a doubt. I would like to thank the Minister for being with us today, which is evidence of the keen interest of the government in this space center, and you have seen how we can do the best. This didn't happen by chance. Dozens of years of uninterrupted investments by European Space Agency members, by France itself. And I would like to remind you how this success is expressed for CNES in Guyana. The success of the CSG's team, which is one of our 4 centers of excellence, I would like to congratulate them. We are also investing. CNES is going to invest almost €1 billion to support Ariane 5, to fund the development of Ariane 6, and to build here at the CSG the launch pad and various other facilities. We're also developers. It's very important. I have said for a number of years that CSG is probably the key asset in the European space program, and that is why our action must benefit to Guyana as a whole. And that is why we have taken a number of measures, and I would like to thank all of Guyana's elected representatives and representatives of the state, including the armed forces, for the work they perform here to allow us to launch as smoothly as we do. I would also like to thank the mayor of Kourou, the mayor of Toulouse, and a delegation of the Association of Ariane Cities. Toulouse is chairing this association this year. It's very important in its support for the European launch vehicle. 2017 will bring space back to the fore in Toulouse. There will be the World Astronaut Congress. And the fact that this launch vehicle was called Toulouse, with both satellites that were on board were manufactured in Toulouse. CNES has its main facility there with 2,000 employees, and of course we are very happy that this was the case. I would also like to congratulate everyone for the fact that we are flying the standard of international cooperation here. We have multiple cooperations with Brazil, where I was recently, and Indonesia is a country where I shall be going in a few days with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to sign a new agreement. So a very international evening. And without further ado, Mr. Minister, I would like to yield the floor to you.
Dear Prefect, dear deputies, Mr. Berdelot, dear deputies, dear Mayor of Kourou, dear Mayor of Toulouse, ladies and gentlemen, dear Chair of the CNES, dear Mr. Jean-Yves Le Gall, dear Stéphane Israël, Chairman of Ariane Space, dear representatives from Indonesia, dear representatives from Brazil. First of all, thank you very much for this moment of emotions and this moment of pride, as you have given us the opportunity of congratulating you for the launch of these 2 satellites, and which reflects once again the trust that is given to by our customers, but also that reflects the trust that the French state is offering to this launch. Pushes even further the number of consecutive successful launches of Ariane Space. I'm very proud of this. This pride is also a European pride, as much from a technological and scientific point as from a commercial standpoint. Ariane Space is a commercial success for France and Europe. Ariane Space, in fact, is the leader of the commercial launch services with 50% market shares. This is a great performance which we must salute, and Ariane Space is offering a European service to at a global scale, because a significant share of the company's operations comes from outside of the borders of Europe. So I'd like to salute your work with this successful export success stories. We are commanding 1.4 billion euros in revenues 2016. This is also a source of employment, a source of economic development in France, in Europe, in Guyana, more particularly the Ariane and Vega accounts for about 15,000 jobs. The satellite line of business around two major operators, Thales Alenia Space, Airbus Defence, and which you have amongst us tonight. So we have a capable industry, capable to rise up to many challenges. And this space industry, dear elected members of Guyana, dear population of Guyana, is extremely important for your territory. That accounts for 9,000 jobs directly depending or indirectly depending on this. The CSG, the Guyana Space Center, accounts for 15% of the Guyanese GDP. Despite all these success stories, we must be cautious with a view to competition. As in all other industries, the space industries is subject to competition, both from a technological standpoint as well as from an economic standpoint. And we must take action to make sure that we stay leaders on the market. First of all, there's a never greater number of launch operators, more disruptive, notably the American competition, as well as emerging players, Indian, Chinese speed, and they want a stake in the market. And we also seen a transformation in the satellite industry with the small size constellations or the automatic propulsion, as well as very high broadband services. There's a growing interest in digital services, notably in terms of internet access, connectivity, operations of data collected. So a number of opportunities are presenting themselves. So as a result, there's been a ramping up, and in the French and European space industry can count on the support of and full support of France. France is number one European power, and Europe accounts for the top three global players in the space industries. With the support of the state, we've been managing the French policy on the initiative of Charles de Gaulle back in 1964. So the budget with 35 euros per person makes France a global leader in the space industries as a result of these investments. And this applies to observation, telecommunication, as well as launch vehicles and solutions. And this commitment encompasses all these domains. And this commitment is about supporting the Ariane 6 program up to 1.2 billion euros. And this is a historical move so that Europe can remain a strong player in the space industries around this Ariane 6 launcher, around Airbus, Safran launchers, and new industrial players, which creations has been supported by the government in France. I'd like to salute the partnership between industrial players as well as local authorities where these companies operate, which has contributed in building our success. Will continue down that avenue with the commitments I mentioned, with new funding being made available to support innovative projects of the space industry. I'd like to close this speech in a more personal way, reaffirming this pride, telling you that we need, in a time where people question the European project, to remind us in very concrete terms that European constructions is allowing us to be here tonight. And that's what it is. I'd like to tell all of my friends here how happy we are to count them amongst our friends in this space dimension, telling Indonesia, to Brazil, an important partner, as we know here, and more specifically here in Guyana, how proud we are to count amongst our friends, to count you amongst our friends. Let's be united so that this wonderful adventure can continue onwards.
Bien, Monsieur le Ministre, un grand merci pour vos mots.
Well,
et
dear Minister, thank you so much for your kind words
sentiment de soutien
and
à la
for
filière
your
spatiale.
commitment to the space sector. We shall be back here at the CSG with Ariane on March 21st, with 2 satellites, a Brazilian government satellite, SGDC, and a Korean satellite for KT-SAT. And these 2 satellites were both built by our friends from Thales Alenia Space. But before that, we will all be back at the CSG on March the 6th to launch a satellite in the Copernicus program, environmental initiative, European satellite due to be with our newest launch vehicle, Vega. So we have a lot of things to do this year, and thank you all for being here tonight.
Well, with the speeches, and with the final shots of a final launch replay, that'll do it for us from Kourou. We will say goodbye. Ariane 5's first launch of the year and Arianespace's second of 2017. A rousing success. 2 new telecommunication satellites on their way, bringing lives in space and bringing high-definition digital TV service to more people in Latin America and Indonesia. Congratulations all around. Don't forget, 77 straight successes for the Ariane 5 launcher. Our next launch, March 6th, that's the first Vega of the year, and the 21st of March, another double launch for Ariane 5. You won't want to miss either of those events. We'll be here. We hope you will be too. Until then, on behalf of everyone here at the Space Center, Joshua Gemple saying thank you for being with us. We hope you enjoyed it. We certainly did, and we look forward to being with you next time. Goodbye, everybody.
Allumage et décollage.